is a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. The Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, known as the CVPI or the PB7, also called the Crown Vic. It's a four-door, body-on-frame sedan that was manufactured by Ford in 1992. It was the first vehicle to use the Ford Police Interceptor name. Cracking wee cars coming into the field. There's a wee yellow Mini. That looks like a Ford Capri. It was indeed a 2-litre Ford Capri. I had that in 1970. Not that particular car, I wish I had it now. Here's the Volkswagen. Followed by a big Volvo. What's that in the back of it? Green machine. That's at Cambridge. These, ladies and gentlemen, are only some of the vintage vehicles that we have here on the show today. Do thank you for coming along and making this one of the best events that we've had many a long year, and certainly one of the biggest and one of the brightest. Unlike last year when we got rained off. Right, this is called a Mitsuoka Japanese. Where's it made? It's a Japanese import, one of the first. Never heard of it. Here's an MG. What can you tell me about this? 54,000 miles. 34. Hardly run it. One owner. Wow. What can you tell me about this car?
It's a 1973 kit car based on the Morris Marina.
Thank you very much. Can you tell me anything on your yellow Mini?
It's a 1980 1300 Mini.
Thank you very much. Here's the Ford Capri. I had one of these in 1970. Is it still the original engine?
Still the same, 86,000 miles.
Thank you very much. Here's the Volkswagen coming. What can you tell me about your Volkswagen?
It's a 1978 Volkswagen bay window.
Thank you very much. If you want to see the seats in the back of that, you can carry a family of 10. Here's the big Volvo coming. What can you tell me about your Volvo, sir?
1990, done 80,000 miles.
Done. Thank you. Still going strong. Here's the green MG. Can you tell me anything of your MG, please?
Yes. That's right.
Thank you very much. This is the Austin Cambridge, I believe. I used to have one of these a long time ago.
That's 1958 Austin Cambridge A55.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So as I say, that's only a few of the fantastic cars we have on show here today at the Ayrshire Vintage Tractor and Machinery Club. This is the 41 years they've been doing this, and this has certainly been the best year, I believe, yet. Can we hear your siren again? Thank you, vintage drivers. Give them a round of applause, please. Thank you.
Well done.